taking my time, shuffling the line. I had to get back on the road. The same old features at nighttime make a boy feel pretty old. We'll drifting here and there without a worry or a care of what the wind trails doing in. Then I saw the one in the Appalachian sun, riding 6 horses down the bend. And she said my name with the country twang, and my heart fell on the floor. All my life I've been waiting for a Tennessee mountain girl. Said she was a teacher and her daddy was a preacher, and I can testify that she was blessed. And I knew she was a winner when she served her dinner. I was praying that she might give me a kiss. Well, I know that I'm a sinner, but she was no beginner when she took me from the bar. She had me singing good old Rocky Top underneath the Knoxville stars. Well, she was a treasure and I'm glad I met her, but she left me wanting more. All my life I've been waiting for a Tennessee mountain girl. And when I was in Denver, I certainly remember how the women there treated me kind. But I missed the thrills of the holler and the hills and the girl with the Smoky Mountain eyes. And I tried Atlanta and Bozeman, Montana, Seattle, Santa Fe, and Albany. But nothing compares with the sweet southern fare of the little girl I met in Tennessee. And I remember when she said my name with the country twang, I left my heart there on the floor. All my life I've been waiting for a Tennessee mountain.